Rabbit hole is a module that allows you to control the behavior of accessing an entity page or the canonical page. Now, the module name rabbit hole doesn't really explain what it does. So let me just quickly show you. So here we have a article page, and you can see that the path to this page is node/1. In some use cases, you don't want to allow users access to this page. So using rabbit hole, you can configure the module to redirect the user if they come directly to this page, return a page not found, or an access denied. But it can also work for other entity types. Another good use case is to block access to the taxonomy term pages. So whenever a user comes directly to taxonomy term /3 or 1 or whatever the ID is, you can then set up a behavior to redirect them to another page or return an access denied or a page not found. Let me show you how to set up the module. First, you want to make sure that you download version 1. That's the one that I am using because it is the most stable at the time of this recording. And then jump over to the extend page and you should see rabbit hole. So you want to install that module. And then you want to install the sub module for your entity. So in this case, let me install rabbit hole nodes, but that's really for content types. And then click on install. Once installed, go edit the entity type. So I'll go to structure, content types, and then I'll edit article because I want to control the display behavior of article. And then if you scroll all the way down, you should see a rabbit hole settings. Now, by default, the behavior is set to display page, which means it will display a page. But you can change it so that it'll redirect the user to some other path if you select page redirect. Then you can also change it to display a page not found and then also an access denied. Now, the other important feature here is allow these settings to be overridden for individual nodes. Now, what that means is that editors can change the behavior on specific articles. So for example, let's set this to page not found. So that means if I go to any of these articles and I'm not logged in because I'm logged in as an admin, I will get a page not found. But if I edit this article and scroll all the way down, I should see a rabbit hole settings. Then I can change it to display the page. But the default behavior is page not found. And if I click on save and then refresh the browser on the right, you can see now I've got access to the page. So if you want to control the behavior of your entity pages or canonical pages, then take a look at the rabbit hole module.